Introducing the Moretoes 30 pieces cake boxes with window, the perfect solution for all your bakery packaging needs. With its ample quantity and perfect size, these cake boxes are a must-have for any baker or dessert enthusiast. Each set comes with 30 white cake boxes measuring 12 by 12 by 6 inches. This generous size can easily accommodate a 9 to 12-inch cake, making it suitable for both big and small creations. Not only are these boxes ideal for cakes, but they can also hold cookies, pies, donuts, biscuits, chocolates, candies, bread, or any other delicious treats you want to showcase. One of the standout features of these cake boxes is the clear, see-through window. The clear window adds an elegant touch and is perfect for gift wrapping and presentation. Whether you're gifting the baked goods to your friends, family, or customers, they will surely appreciate the thoughtful packaging. Crafted from high-quality cardboard materials, these cake boxes are thick and sturdy enough to securely hold your delectable creations. The pre-folding packaging makes assembling these boxes a breeze, saving you time and effort. These versatile cake boxes are suitable for various occasions such as baby showers, bridal showers, weddings, birthday parties, Christmas festivities, and more. No matter the event, these bakery boxes will add an extra touch of elegance to your baked goods. Please note that this product is designed for use in the US and may require an adapter or converter for international use. Make sure to check compatibility before making a purchase. In summary, the Moretoes 30 pieces cake boxes with window are the ideal packaging solution for cakes and other baked goods. With their ample quantity, perfect size, clear window, premium materials, and versatility, these cake boxes are a must-have for every baker and dessert lover out there. Product information: ASIN B0B4ZQFBYS. Customer reviews: 4.5 out of 5 stars, based on 474 ratings. Best sellers rank number 6195 in Industrial and Scientific. See Top 100 in Industrial and Scientific. Number 106 in bakery takeout containers. Date first available: June 24, 2022.